SERV stock analysis Friday. There's a big confusion whether I'm buying or am I selling. So let's leave it out. I want to start off by saying that SERV Robotics is absolutely all over the place. Just recently we had this like crazy fall down. We came down like around 50% in a matter of pretty much 2 days. But like relatively speaking, the higher time frame idea is like all that matters, because all I'm looking at is just like a already moving bullish trend, and I just a bigger retracement, which is totally fine and natural, unless there's like a big catalyst or something. I'm not touching it. But here, if there is a second break above 1430 first, you know, and we don't break 1160 lows first, then I'm looking to take it up for sure. I mean, the cause for the effect here is huge, and literally this is like how I've refined 36,000 videos, man, and like what I've learned, what's been working for me, what's not. You can see, by the way, how much videos I've done. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.